Hello and welcome to today's Coppice Dev stream. We are going to be working on some accessibility today, so I hope everyone in chat is doing well on this fine Saturday, which is rather sunny here in the UK, at least in the northwest. Rather sunny, rather warm, rather nice Easter weekend. So yes, we are going to be progressing on Coppice, getting it ready to release, and doing something rather important, which is checking the accessibility and improving it. I already know of some bits of accessibility that need fixing, so we're going to be working through initially working out what needs fixing, what needs implementing. I have some suspicions of other areas, and once we have an idea of what to do, we're going to start implementing it, which may require a lot of custom work. So I thought this would be quite an interesting stream. So let's switch over to the main screen and let's get started. And as always, in chat, if you let me know how you're doing this fine Saturday, what you are up to today, what you have been up to, how your weekend's going, and if you have any questions, just post them in the chat and I'll try to answer them. Hey Sinister, how are you doing today? Right, so I have an interesting question. If I hit Command F5...
VoiceOver on application. Sound source window. Output device. The current audio device selection for this output is SWB audio capture. Source list item. Set the Coppice. Welcome application icon. Image. Application. Sound source window. Output device. The current audio device selection for this output is SWB audio capture. Source list item. Set the default system output. Mute. Volume. Menu.
Right.
5 items.
So, let's change that to SWB audio capture. This to SWB audio capture.
Welcome to Coppice window. Application icon image. You are currently on an image. To begin interacting with the content.
Can you hear VoiceOver speaking? Let's hide our sidebar. So if I switch there, it should have just read out version 2021.2.20. Hopefully that is now coming through to OBS. Okay, sweet. So now we can have a look at VoiceOver. Just to have a play around with the app. Oh, that's already a bug that we need to fix. They are not in the correct order. What I am going to do is, first off, I need to plug my iPad in. Would be useful. But by having the iPad, I can jot bugs down on the iPad. So we don't have to keep switching away from VoiceOver. So, bring this up. Our first bug. Need to change this as well so I know exactly where I can draw. Okay, so bug number 1. Welcome.
New button. Open button. Take tour button. Show this window on launch. Take open new button. You are
okay.
On a button. To click this button, press Control Option Space.
Let's create a new document.
Untitled window table. Canvases. Select to exit this group. More. Add table. 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 Add. More. Add.
Okay, so we're in a group.
Out of verticals canvas list. Group. Verticals canvas editor. Group. Vertical canvas. Group. You are currently on a group. Verticals canvas edit. Verticals canvas list. Verticals sidebar. Group. You are currently on
Okay.
a group. To interact with items in this group. Press
What
Control,
is
Option,
probably going to be
Shift
better
down.
is let's just open the sample
View sample
document.
Sample document Coppice doc. Win. Add. More. To out of vertical split canvas edit in canvas editor. In welcome to Coppice bot page content. In text. In text. Menu in the bar. Menu bar. Resources. More. You can if you need new link. New link.
Pages. Click that. That opens.
Text. Out of page. Top right. And out of vertical splitter. Canvas in canvas toggle canvas list size. To a canvas toggle. Welcome to Coppice. Welcome to toggle canvas list canvas toggle. Welcome to canvas toggle welcome to Coppice. Text page group.
Turn voiceover off. Put voiceover back on.
Voiceover pages. Text.
Okay, so that's another bug. Oh yeah, I realise I've just had the thing open the whole time. So the next bug is that open
inside a scroll area to select page.
pages.
To interact with items
Yeah,
in this group.
helps if I can spell.
Option Shift down arrow. To stop interacting with this scroll area, press Control Option Shift up arrow.
See my wonderful, terrible spelling. So if we bring this back,
Welcome to Coppice. Pages.
So what happens there is if I go in,
pages are small in text. Page A. Create bullet. More. Work well. New line. Link. Image pages.
right, image pages. If I link to that, and I go out,
Text. Out of text. Pages out of page. Top right. Out of page. Image pages. Pages. Welcome to pages. Image pages.
yeah, it isn't putting it in the correct position. But if we turn voiceover off, voiceover on again.
Voiceover. Image pages. Text page. Linked from pages. Group. Image pages. Text page.
Okay, so it's definitely not working correctly. Creating a page button. Okay. So next bug is page.
Pages, image pages, creating up image pages, pages. Welcome to pages, image pages.
See, that's working now.
Image pages. New page button, creating a new page button. New page, creating image pages. Text page.
Not really scrolling it well.
Image pages, new page button, image page.
Page position.
Group. Actions available.
Oh.
Perform this page's action to toggle selection. Use arrow keys on a selected page to move it. Interact with the page to edit and resize it. In new page button. Image bottom right. Handle. Page top left. Handle. Top right. Handle.
Well, those are named incorrectly.
Top right. Top right. Handle. In top right. Handle. Undo.
Okay.
Out of new creating a page. Page content. Top left. Top right. Top right. Handle. In top right. Handle. You are currently on.
Okay, so we can resize, but resizing the wrong way. Well, that got messed up because that was working when I first implemented it and I haven't touched it since then. Page. Right. Page resize handle flipped. Right, let's get on to some other stuff.
Edit
So what
text.
I want to do
Insertion of
here,
image page. Create link. Click to add link. Edit text. Blank. Click to add link. You are currently on a text field inside
right,
a group.
so if
To
I
enter
start
text in
typing
this field,
image,
type image. Button. Button image. Contents selection reply image. Image. Coppice has new window. Image.
yeah, so that
Click to add link.
isn't accessible.
You are currently on a text field inside a group. To enter text in this
But we
field,
already have a ticket for that.
voiceover off.
Right, and then the final thing is go
Voiceover on add more. Out of vertical split image. You are currently on vertical inspector in inspector image group. You are current in image group. 9 items. Radio button. 2 up radio button.
right.
Radio
So
button,
the
radio
inspector
button.
needs
Radio selected.
fixing.
Radio button.
You
are currently on a selected radio button. 1 of 3. Inside a group. To exit this group, press Control Option Shift up arrow. Radio button. 2 of 3. You are currently on a radio button. No visible title to interact. Selected. Out of image group. Out of in vertical split image. Your vertical image. No visible title. Vertical image. No visible title to.
So
no
you
visible
cannot
title
crop
image.
at the moment.
You are currently
So that's something that we're going to have to
interacting with the
fix.
contents of this image.
But
Press
shouldn't be.
Control Option Shift down arrow.
It's not trivial to do, but shouldn't be too hard to do, because what we're going to actually get working is something similar to Canvas, where the Canvas you can resize things, and all we're basically doing is resizing this box here within certain bounds.
Vertical split inspectors in inspectors image.
The hard bit
Radio selected. You are currently on a selected radio button edit mode out of image page in out of vertical split polygon hotspot oval rect image. No visible title
is going to be, how do you actually create a hotspot?
of this image. Press Control Option Shift down arrow.
I think that is going to require a lot more. If you already have a hotspot, it's easy enough, we can draw stuff on there. But how can we actually have it where you can add a hotspot? We have to look at the sketch sample app, because that may have the ability to do that. I mean, we can get square and circle potentially working, where if you, for example, are able to interact with the controls at the bottom, it can just throw a hotspot on the page for you, and then you can go and resize it. But the question is, oh, we need to work out how to do adding, editing, and selecting slash poking. Oop. Dropped my pencil on the floor. So I think, let's see if we can find the sketch sample. So let's turn off voiceover for now. developer.apple.com. Develop documentation. Used to be simple. Find sample code. Now it is. No sample code. I mean, no results. It's literally one of your most famous piece of sample code. Let's bet it's in the archive. Sketch. Oh, there it is. Sketch plus accessibility. Okay, let's download it. They cannot have updated Sketch when it arguably one of their most important piece of sample code. Open. Okay. Build and done.
Voiceover on in rectangle hidden out of layout area in layout area rectangle out of layout area in layout area in rectangle hidden upper middle handle upper right handle. You are currently on middle left in middle left handle 12 points 6 points from 12 points out of middle left handle out of rectangle hidden layout item out of layout area. You are currently on a layout area, inside a scroll area. To stop interacting with this scroll area, press Ctrl, Option, Shift, up arrow, in layout area, rectangle, hidden, commands help menu, 13 items. General menu, 80 items. You are currently in a voiceover menu. This is a list of voiceover menu options. To navigate up and down the list, use the arrow keys. To choose a menu item, press Return. To close the menu, press Escape. Rectangle, hidden, commands help general navigation menu, 47 items. You are currently in a voiceover menu. Commands help menu, text menu, web menu, tape size and position menu, 21 items. You are currently in a voiceover menu. This is a list of voiceover menu options. To navigate up and down the list, use the arrow keys. To choose a menu item, press Return. To close the menu, press Escape. Commands help menu on audio menu right visual speed hotspots menu commands speech menu visuals navigation menu 47 items. You are currently in a voiceover menu. This is a list of voiceover menu options. To navigate up and down the list, commands help text menu web text menu 27 items. You are commands help web menu 36 items. You are commands help find table size audio braille menu rectangle hidden layout item. You are currently out of layout area 100% layout area 100 out of scroll area untitled full minimum close button. You are currently on a button. To click this button now in tool palette with rectangle tool you selected. No visible title to interact. Format, file, edit, menu, format, menu, tools, menu, 6 items. Close. Voiceover off.
I've just realised I've been muted through all that. So what I was thinking was we could have a custom action. And what the custom action will do is, if you're on the rectangle, it's just create, or if you're on circle, it's just create. And what it will do is it will create a new hotspot in the center. But then for polygon, you can create like a 4, 5, 6, and then let's say 8, 10, 12 sided polygon. Because once they're on there, actually changing them is fine. It's the whole creating process. But I think what I need to do is probably talk with some people who actually use VoiceOver and see what they would prefer. Okay, let's write up some tickets. Right, so if I bring this up, these are all the tickets I need to look at. Welcome order. So created. Voice over and that one is done. Page frame. Page frames aren't shown. I'll tell you one thing that I'm really going to look into. Is switching over to linear. This was a recommendation from Megan. I saw her using this, and given the Jira desktop app is sort of falling away and they're just having the web app, and the website and all stuff seems to be getting worse. I like having an app. I'm thinking of switching over. I'd have to pay for it, so what I'm probably going to do is just do streamlining it for now, just to test it out, but then add additional teams for like my web projects and Coppice, so I could transfer everything over. But I mean, this is, so far it looks pretty good for my playing around with it, and for the most part you wouldn't really know that it's an Electron app until you start resizing and you get the quintessential Electron can't keep up with resizing a window. as compared to a native app, which can. But other than that, it is a pretty good looking app, so I may end up switching to it for my issue tracking, even though I'd end up paying for it compared to Jira, which is free. But Jira's pretty good, but he's getting worse. So, where were we? Page position and scroll. Page read handle flipped. That one's just down. Image inspector controls need label. Accessibility also for up handle. Okay, so crop handle, image editor, selecting, booking hotspots in mode. Creation of a selection spot. And the okay, allow editing hotspots, and then finally editing hotspots. So, bring Jira across, add that. So let's work out what we're going to work on today. We've done our accessibility audit. Let's up. Yeah, so we've done our accessibility audit. What we're going to do, fix what can view order, fix image vector, fix page resize hand, page frames, page size. Need the Coppice up. So we'll look into those, see if we can get those done today. The rest of the accessibility stuff we may be able to get more done today, but it may be Monday when we look at those. We'll see how things go. Right. Let's do some real accessibility work. So, welcome view order. Because this seems to be messed up. See if that fits.
Applicate. Welcome to Coppice.
Oh.
You are currently on a text element. Xcode. Coppice. Welcome Windows zip window. Welcome to Coppice. Canvas item. As keyboard focus. You are currently on a canvas item. Inside a layout area. To interact with items in this group, press Control, Option, Shift, Custom View. NS
Custom.
View. Show this window on long. Welcome to Coppice. NS Image View. Stack View. NS Constraints. Button. Has alternative items. You are Bordered Scroll View. Table View. Visual Effect View. NS Visual Effect View. Button. Has alternative Custom View. NS View. Menu, 10 items. Canvas. Welcome to Coppice. Canvas item. You are currently on a canvas item. Inside a layout area. To interact with items in this group, press Control, Option, Shift, down arrow. Welcome to Coppice. Canvas item. Visual Effect View. NS Visual Effect. Bordered Scroll View. Table View. N-1. 33 items. Add new constraints. 0. Combo Box. Group. You are currently on a combo box. Group. Document outline. Table. Rows Visual Effect View. NS Visual Effect View. Button. Has alternative items. 0. 33 items. Add new constraints. You are currently on a text element. 2. Combo Box. Group. You are currently on a combo box. Document outline. Welcome to Coppice. Canvas item. -1. 33 items. Add new constraints. You are currently on a text element. Welcome to Coppice. Canvas item. You are currently on a canvas item. Inside a layout area. To interact with items in this group, press Ctrl, Option, Shift, Untick. 47 items. Add new alignment constraint. Welcome to Coppice. Canvas item. You are currently on a canvas item. 30. 33 items. Add new 32. Combo box. Group. You are currently on a combo box. Group. To display a list of options. Welcome to Coppice. Canvas item. You are currently on a canvas item. Inside a layout area. To interact with items in this group, press Ctrl, Option, Shift, down arrow. Standard. 33 items. Add new constraints. Welcome to Coppice. Canvas item. You are 33 items. Add new constraints. You are currently on a welcome to Coppice. Canvas item. You are currently
Okay.
inside a layout area. To interact with items in this group, press Ctrl, Option, Shift, down arrow. 0. 33 items. Add new constraints. Welcome to Coppice. Canvas item. You are welcome to Coppice. Canvas item. Version 2020. Show this window on launch. Image view. NS image view. Button. Has alternative items. Row 5 expanded. Row 2. Welcome to Coppice. NS text field. Row 5 expanded. You are version 2020.1. 125. NS text field. Button. Row 5 expanded. Row 19 collapsed. Row 14 collapsed.
Right. Build and run, see what this does.
System dialog. Coppice. Sample document. Window. Menu. Fit. Welcome to Coppice. Application icon. Version 2. Welcome to Coppice. New. Open. Take. Show this window on launch.
Order wrong again.
Voiceover off.
Synthesis complete.
Close button. Minimize button. Zoom button. Scroll area. Table. Image. Sample document. Text. Private var folders br/5nqdsb12cgdqtldx column. Table. Scroll area. Application icon. Image. Version 2021.2. 20. Text. Welcome to Coppice. Text. New. Button. Open. Button.
Okay. Switch to upload. Switch hotspot. Now we may need to do some of this in code to get the actual accessibility stuff working. Left. Okay. So let's see if these show up. They may not because I am using tooltips.
Allows auto out of image, in image, group. Switch to crop mode, radio button, 2 of 3. Switch to hotspot mode, switch to image mode, switch button. Rotate image 90 button. Rotate image 90 degrees right button. Voiceover off.
First one, okay. Isn't. Okay. I guess that's done. We. I think, yeah, that's done. So, let's, commit that. So that is finished. Let's have a look at these resize handles. Element. Edge component. Okay, I think I'm going to end the stream after, even though it's only been an hour, my brain is just not working today. I've had so much to do earlier today, and I think it's just wiped my brain out. So what we will do is we'll pick this up on Monday and start off by taking a look at the recess handles. I'll try to get things sorted out for the hotspot creation and see if I can get some thoughts from people who use VoiceOver. But yeah, I mean, at the very least, we've managed to get a good handle on where things are in terms of accessibility in the app and the things we need to fix. So even if we get through a bunch of stuff, get that fixed over the next week, we should be in a fairly good spot, because then once the accessibility stuff is done, it's mostly the standard release stuff. So I'll call the stream there, and we will pick up again on Monday. So as always, I hope you have a good rest of your day, a good weekend, and happy coding.